Ostrogoth rule in Crimea reached its apogee during the late 4th century. There was a famous king, Ostrogothic king, Ermanaric, which is considered one of the first, quote-unquote, Germanic rulers in the world, of all places, in Crimea. And anxious to maintain good relations with the Eastern Roman or Byzantine Empire to the south, these Ostrogoths even accepted Christianity. We're going to see the role of that as we move on. They had their own bishop, their own church structure. They had a stronghold in a town called Doros in the western part of the Crimean Peninsula. And they came to be known in history as the Crimean Goths. So important was this in terms of the predecessors of the Germanic world, that during World War II, despite the height of the war, Hitler spent a large amount of money sending for archaeological expeditions to Crimea to find the remnants of Germanic civilization, and at the same time justify occupation of this Germanic land that was only for temporarily a couple millennia taken over by these dastardly Slavs that had to be eliminated and moved out, let alone the Crimean Tatars. So much for the use of history in modern day times.